Hello, thank you, Lon, for the question. Well, of course, High Representative was speaking to journalists in Ukraine during the weekend, and he was commenting on the situation. He was saying that, of course, we are discussing with partners and with allies the current situation in the north of Kosovo and around. And what is the first priority for everyone, the first and foremost priority is the de-escalation and stabilization of the security situation. Of course, we are in close contact with the United States, first of all, and with other partners who play a relevant role there. And there are two concerning developments over the last few days, what we have been witnessing. So the terrorist attack from the Sunday before the last, and the discovery of the huge stash of weapons in north of Kosovo. This is very serious. At the same time, we have noted the Serbian military buildup at the administrative borderline with Kosovo, and this is also very concerning and needs to stop immediately. That was the message by the High Representative over the weekend, because there is no place for arms and security forces build-up on the European continent. All the forces need to stand down. This is very important from point of view of the European Union, and this is something that we conveyed to both sides and also to our partners with whom we are working on trying to end this destabilization.